Your home, your family, your peace of mind. One wrong security system choice could leave gaps in protection or drain your wallet with hidden fees and locked-in contracts. With dozens of systems flooding the market in 2026, picking the right one feels impossible. Here's the truth. Professional testers spent months living with these systems, triggering alarms at 2 a.m., testing response times, and uncovering what marketing won't tell you. I've analyzed expert data from SafeHomeSecurity.org and US News to find 6 systems that actually protect without breaking promises. Product links sit in the description below. Grab them while current deals last. By the end, you'll know exactly which system matches your home, budget, and protection needs. No guesswork, just results. Let's get into it. Number 6. More Abode Smart Security Kit. Starting at just $179, Abode targets the tech-savvy homeowner who refuses to compromise on smart home integration. Here's what makes it different. The system works with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Z-Wave, and Zigbee devices. That's more compatibility than any system on this list. You can automate lights, locks, and thermostats, all through one hub. Expert testers from US News completed installation in under 90 minutes. No professional needed. The Smart Security Hub connects wirelessly with Ethernet backup for reliability. The basic kit costs $179 with hub, entry sensor, and key fob. Professional monitoring runs $25.99 monthly with cellular backup. Self-monitoring? Completely free through their app. The IOTA kit at $329 adds a built-in 1080p camera with motion detection and a 93 decibel siren. Real talk, battery installation requires a screwdriver. Some users report Wi-Fi connectivity hiccups during setup. The app needs polish compared to Ring or SimpliSafe, but for smart home enthusiasts, nothing touches Abode's automation engine. Their Q system creates complex routines. Front door locks when you leave, lights activate at sunset, cameras trigger on motion. 0 contracts, cancel anytime. Your equipment, your rules. Best for smart home power users who want extensive third-party integration. Number 5, Ring Alarm Pro. Amazon security powerhouse starts at $299 and doubles as your Wi-Fi router. Security.org testing revealed cameras captured clear details up to 10 feet during day and night, while motion sensors triggered alerts within 10 seconds. The glass break sensor outperformed ADTs in side-by-side tests. The Pro system includes an Eero Wi-Fi 6 router with strong mesh coverage. If internet drops, the system stays connected using 3 gigabytes of backup cellular data. Your security never goes dark. The 8-piece Pro kit costs $299 and covers 1,500 square feet. The 14-piece kit handles 3,000 square feet for $379. Individual sensors cost just $20, half what traditional companies charge. Professional monitoring costs $20 monthly. That's the lowest rate you'll find without sacrificing quality. Self-monitoring stays free. The massive equipment selection sets Ring apart. Over 20 components available, flood sensors, pet tags, smart thermostats, total home coverage without emptying your bank account. CNN underscored called the Pro unbeatable for DIY users. Setup took under an hour. The app guides you step by step. Limitations: home automation lags behind Vivint and Abode. Video storage requires subscription on standard Ring alarm. The Pro model fixes this. Local SD card storage with on-device processing for privacy. Amazon Prime users score 40 to 50% discounts during Prime Day. Time your purchase right and save hundreds. Best for budget-conscious families wanting professional monitoring without premium prices. Number 4, Cove Home Security. Cove launched in 2018, focused on affordable professional protection without complexity. SafeHome.org confirmed response times 3 to 4 minutes faster than industry standard. Their rapid SOS dispatch cuts processing from 6 to 13 minutes down to seconds. Those minutes matter. Equipment pricing stays shockingly low. Most sensors under $20. Touchscreen panel $150. Hub $150. Reality? Cove runs constant sales, sometimes 70% off with free HD camera. Professional monitoring required. Cove Basic costs $17.99 monthly for 24/7 monitoring with cellular backup. Among the cheapest available, Cove Plus at $27.99 monthly adds Alexa/Google Control, camera support, lifetime warranty, and $5 monthly credit toward upgrades. No other company offers credits back. Cameras use UFI technology. The 2K indoor camera delivered clearest footage in US News testing, better than ADT or SimpliSafe. Outdoor camera includes solar panel. Never replace batteries. Installation takes under 30 minutes. The touchscreen walks you through setup. Beginners succeed easily. 60-day trial with full refund, including activation fees. Downsides: some camera connectivity issues need support calls. Alarm panel battery lasts just 4 hours during outages. SafeWise verdict? Cove built its reputation on listening to customers, and it shows. No hassle cancellation, transparent pricing, customer-first policies. Best for budget shoppers wanting professional monitoring with friendly customer service. Number 3, Vivint Smart Home. Vivint operates differently. Starting at $449 with required professional installation, this targets homeowners wanting the absolute best. U.S. News praised outdoor cameras for best picture clarity tested. Smart Deader triggers strobing lights and sirens when someone lingers. Crime prevention, not just recording. Free professional installation. Technicians handle everything. U.S. News editor described installers as courteous, professional, quick, with complete walkthrough. Zero learning curve. Equipment feels premium. Touchscreen rivals tablets. 4K cameras. Wide area motion sensors. Quality throughout. Smart home integration reaches another level. Control thermostats, locks, garage doors, lighting through one app. Automation matches Abode with professional-grade security. The catch? Mandatory professional monitoring. Expect $56 monthly for basic system with 3 cameras and 4 sensors. Double SimpliSafe or ring costs. Equipment finances over 60 months, locking 5-year contracts. Early cancellation triggers hefty fees. Long-term commitment required. SafeHome.org spent $1,500 plus on testing. Comparable systems run $1,800 to $2,000. Premium protection at premium prices. If you own your home long-term and want the Mercedes of security, Vivint works. Free professional installation saves $500 to $1,200. Skip if renting, budget conscious, or prefer DIY flexibility. Best for homeowners wanting premium smart home security with zero installation hassle. Number 2, ADT Self Setup. ADT 150 years. Defining home security just went DIY. Experts are impressed. Security.org testing revealed ADT's professional monitoring as fastest and most reliable. Their 12 monitoring centers across North America responded within seconds. Internet dropped during testing. Alerts still reached monitors through cellular backup. Self-setup starts at $349 for 5 pieces. You install everything. Sensors stick, cameras mount easily, mirrors SimpliSafe's simplicity with ADT's legendary monitoring. Monthly monitoring costs $28.99 for landline only. Want cellular backup and smart home features? Prices increase, but stay competitive. ADT's secret weapon, brand trust. Insurance companies recognize ADT. Many offer 10 to 20% homeowner insurance discounts. Over time, savings offset monthly monitoring. Equipment works seamlessly with Google Nest devices. Already in Google's ecosystem? ADT Self Setup feels natural. SafeHome.org testing showed sensors installed fast. Removing proved equally simple. Perfect for renters. Limitations? Equipment costs more than Ring or SimpliSafe up front. Selection doesn't match Ring's catalog. Monthly monitoring runs higher than budget options. But you're paying for 150 years of security expertise. ADT coordinates with police departments, understands response protocols, prioritizes accuracy preventing false dispatches. One tester shared, someone tried breaking in. ADT's doorbell alerted the homeowner. Cameras tracked the intruder. ADT gave police detailed descriptions. Officers arrested the suspect within minutes. Premium monitoring buys coordinated response stopping crimes in progress. Best for homeowners wanting brand trust and best-in-class professional monitoring with DIY flexibility. Number 1, SimpliSafe. After thousands of hours testing systems in real homes, experts consistently rank SimpliSafe number 1 for 2026. Why? Active guard monitoring. Technology stopping crimes before they happen. Motion triggers outside. SimpliSafe's monitoring sees it live. A trained guard speaks through your camera. This is SimpliSafe monitoring. You are trespassing, police notified. Most intruders flee immediately. No other system offers this proactive protection at SimpliSafe's price. Equipment starts at $244 for a comprehensive 5-piece kit. Sensors cost $15 to $30 each. Cameras deliver solid 2K resolution, capturing clear details up to 10 feet day or night per US. News testing. Professional monitoring runs $31.99 monthly for Fast Protect with Active Guard. That's $11 more than Ring, but includes video verification and live agent intervention. Fast Protect cameras costs $49.99 monthly for outdoor proactive monitoring. 4 monitoring tiers available. Self-monitoring, free, standard, $9.99 per month. Fast Protect, $31.99 per month. Fast Protect cameras, $49.99 per month. No contracts, ever. Cancel anytime. Equipment works forever without monitoring. SafeWise called installation beginner-proof. Everything pre-synced. Sensors stick with adhesive. Most finish in 30 to 45 minutes. The mobile app earned praise from every testing organization. Clean interface, instant alerts, easy control from anywhere. Smart home integration includes Alexa, Google Assistant, August locks. Not as extensive as Abode, but sufficient for most. One quirk, glass break sensor struggled with consistency in safe homes trials, worth noting for heavy window protection reliance. Consumer Reports surveyed 11,000 plus members. SimpliSafe scored highest for customer satisfaction among professionally monitored systems. The value proposition dominates. Professional grade protection with optional premium monitoring. Zero contracts, DIY installation, lifetime equipment usability, never locked in, never trapped by fees. SafeWise summed it perfectly. SimpliSafe hits that sweet spot between protection and price. Large properties, ADT serves better. Smart home fanatics, Abode wins. But for typical American homeowners wanting reliable protection without complexity or commitment, SimpliSafe nails it. Best for most homeowners wanting flexible, no-contract professional security with active guard crime prevention. There's your breakdown. 6 systems, 6 different strengths. SimpliSafe dominates for flexibility and active guard monitoring. ADT brings legendary reliability. Vivint offers premium smart home integration. Ring delivers unbeatable value. Cove focuses on affordability with fast response. Abode conquers smart home compatibility. Your perfect system depends on priorities. Budget? Go Ring or Cove. Premium experience? Vivint or ADT. Maximum flexibility? SimpliSafe wins. Smart home control? Choose Abode. Now, here's my question. What's your biggest frustration with home security systems? Pricing? Contracts? Installation difficulty? Drop your answer in comments. I rate everyone. Links to all 6 systems wait in description. Current deals won't last forever. Protect your home right. Choose wisely. Stay safe out there.